Once upon a time, in animal land, there was no food. The animals began to suffer, and they suffered so much that they became selfish. And they started to think only of themselves, all except one animal. That animal was dog. When there was trouble, the dog thought about his mother, and he placed her in heaven. When dog went to a special spot and sang a magical song, something would happen. Please, everyone, help us sing dog's song.
All right, now this is your response. Can everyone say, Alu John, John, Kid John? You clap your hands at the same time. So let's do it together. Everybody say, Alu John, John, Kid John. Iya, iya, jo, kusi leo.
Alu John, John, Kid John.
Gbogbo kopa, yeye reje.
Alu John, John, Kid John.
Ajamu tire ororun.
Alu John, John, Kid John. When Dog's mother heard those words, she would drop a long magical rope down from heaven. Now, Dog would climb that rope, and when he reached heaven, his favorite food was always waiting on him. The dog would eat, he'd give his mother a hug and a goodbye kiss, and then he'd climb the rope back down to animal land. Now, this went on for a long, long time until one day, Dog's best friend, Ijakpa the turtle, got wise. Turtle said,
Wait 1 minute. No food in the forest. All of the animals are getting smaller and weaker, except for that dog. He's getting bigger, and he's getting stronger every day. I'm gonna find out his secret.
And sure enough, the next day before Dog could leave home, Turtle hid in the bushes near his house to watch his every move. And when Dog went to that magical spot, the turtle was watching, and Dog looked up to heaven and sang.
Iya, iya, jo, kusi leo.
Alu John, John, Kid John.
Iya, iya, jo, kusi leo.
Alu John, John, Kid John.
Gbogbo kopa, yeye reje.
Alu John, John, Kid John.
Ajamu tire ororun. Alu John, John, Kid John.
When Dog's mother heard the words, she dropped the long magical rope as before. Dog again climbed the rope, and when he reached heaven, his favorite food was waiting on him as always. Dog ate as before. He gave his mother the hug, and he gave her the goodbye kiss, and then climbed the rope back down to animal land. But this time, as soon as Dog touched the ground, that turtle said, yeah, I knew that dog's secret, and I'm gonna trick that dog. And sure enough, the next day, before Dog could leave home, Turtle slipped into his house and tied him down. He disguised himself as Dog. He went to that magical spot, tried to disguise his voice, but Turtle doesn't have a nose, so he sounds like this.
We are going to sing like the turtle. You ready? Now everybody say.
Now you know, every mother knows her child. And right away, Dog's mother said, that doesn't sound like my boy Dog. But then she thought, maybe he has a cold. And so she dropped the long magical rope anyway. But time come and time go, and still no dog, because turtles are very, very slow. Meanwhile, the turtle was still at the very bottom of the rope. Finally, Dog's mother said, Dog should have been here by now. Let me look down and see what's going on. And she went over to the edge of heaven, took one look at Turtle trying to disguise himself as dog, and she knew that was not her child because every mother
knows their child.
Dog's mother released that rope. Down the naughty turtle fell until he hit the ground.
Bossa!
And that, dear folks, is why all turtles have cracked backs until this very day.
True story.
The end. Now you know.
Thank you. Thank you.